We're talking about panic alarms, which are wired devices. This is old, very old wireless receiver for wireless panic alarms. Basically, this comes as an output as a zone output to the panel. You have two channels, so you can have two zones, or you can have one zone. It's up to you. So you can have one set of transmitters programmed to one channel, another set of transmitters programmed to the second channel. What we were doing usually, we were combining about two channels together in series, and it was just one zone, because one channel on those takes only 4 devices. That's antenna. Obviously, again, you have power, you have a tamper on that, and then you have a zone. Yeah, that's what I think that was the tamper. And the zone outputs. You could program different things there. Basically, the old one. In the new one, you just learn in devices. In this one, you were setting dip switches and so on. So it's old. So it was. It doesn't have to be used for the panic alarms. It can be used for different time transmission remote devices. It's just a receiver, so you can have a wireless panic alarm connected to that, or some other wireless devices. Always is like that you have this is wireless PIR. It needs a receiver, which is connected by wires to the panel. So receiver is somewhere in a distance that you can get the cable in, like this, the receiver, and then you can have wireless devices somewhere. There's another receiver I have here, which is Galaxy, new wireless. It's not opened. Don't have to open that. The look is the same. You have only connection to the panel. This one will be different, but this one is working as an expander. This is working as a zone. So it's connected to expander or the panel. This is expander, so it will connect on the bus line of the alarm panel. There will be different videos about alarm panel once I get it. I ordered the thing, but nothing happens. This shutdowns caused a lot of problems. I'm not getting stuff. That's a keypad for the Galaxy, for instance, which is also part of the alarm system. With keypad you set off alarm, unset alarm, you do all kinds of stuff. That's obviously then connected here. You have 2 power cables and 2 for data, and tampers obviously for the keypad. And this is another device. It's a siren. It's very old. You can see that it's just worn out, dirty from whatever, from sun maybe, I don't know. So every alarm panel will have sirens, internal. This is internal one, and external ones, which are called usually bell boxes. And that's basically what I wanted to tell in this introduction. There's a typical battery which goes into alarm panel, 12 volts, 7 ampere hours. I was explaining the electrical circuit part of the training, how battery works. This is the most typically used battery in the alarm panels. Actually, yeah. So I talked about all those devices that are different. That you could find different other devices. There are seismic sensors, for instance. There are other sophisticated, like voice or light detectors, but they're used rarely. We were using some of those in the banks. For the most part, you have contacts, you have shock sensors, you have latching sensors, you have PIRs and motion detectors, and panic alarms, and that's it. That's the most common types of alarm devices used in the intruder alarms. Thank you.